Let him do it, Riley. Let him do it. Lucy, step back, hon.
Okay. Sit on your chair and play him.
Let me.
You should put the lunch. Put that.
And it's a big one too.
What do you think of that?
And it's too. He doesn't care about that. Being dumb.
It's real drums.
Yay! Hold on.
I love that wrapping paper.
Do you? Glad.
Wow.
All right, Riley, show me your favorite present so far.
When I was far.
Come show it to me. Bring it.
My treasure box and my magic set. Mom, what about my last one?
Okay, come show me your favorite present so far, Lucy.
It's gonna be
Next to
What you got?
magic set,
Magic set?
a treasure box.
That is so cool.
No!
What do you have, Lucy?
Everything!
You have a real oyster with a pearl. We're not sure if that's cool or gross, right?
Yeah.
And a Barbie scooter!
Is that everything?
Yeah, I think so.